Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing.
How many times I'ma keep on living this chapter? The only thing in my mind is what's coming after. Would I go to college and go get my bachelor's? Or would I keep on rapping just to show you I'm the master? I look people in their eyes so they can see my pain. So hopefully they can realize somehow we are the same. Rather it's different color, different image, different name. We all hope for sunny days but only get the rain. I know exactly